welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 19th. Market analysis. In the early morning, the Federal Reserve's interest rate meeting kept the interest rate unchanged, but Powell later made a speech saying that the current inflation situation is still high, and the interest rate reduction step may be slowed down in the future. The spot gold market slightly broke the shock adjustment range due to the news, reaching the lowest of $3,362.58 per ounce yesterday, and finally closed at $3,369.15 per ounce. After the Asian market opened in early trading this trading day, the market rose slightly and then fell back, reaching the highest of $3,387.98 per ounce in the day, and it is currently trading at. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.69 to $33.88, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,388 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.98 to $34.08. If the afternoon market breaks 3,369 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.59 to $33.49. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1450 and 1.1490, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1490 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1550 to 1.1590. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1450 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1410 to 1.1370. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3392 to 1.3428. If the market breaks 1.3428 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3470 to 1.3510. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3392 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3330 to 1.3280. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6475 to 0.6512. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6512 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6550 to 0.6580. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6475 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6430 to 0.6400. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 144.31 to 145.24. If the market breaks 145.24 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.80 to 146.20. If the afternoon market breaks 144.31 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 143.80 to 143.30. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.